Hello, want to get a 20 LPA data science job but don't have experience? Here is the secret. Your portfolio can speak louder than your resume. In this video, I will show you how to build a job winning data science portfolio even if you are just starting out. And yes, this is the same strategy my students have used to land offers from top companies. Whether you are a fresher or a career switcher or stuck in just tutorial hell like just learning. This is your roadmap. What you will learn in this, what projects recruiters love, how to structure your portfolio, where to host it once you have developed your portfolio, where you should host, and how to stand out even with zero job experience. First, let's understand what recruiters actually look for. Part 1, what makes a portfolio irresistible? Recruiters checklist. First one, like real world business impact, clean and simple visuals, well documented code, deployed or interactive demos, domain specific projects. A recruiter does not care how many Kaggle medals you have. They want to see how you can solve business problems using data. So here there is a tip, like focus on quality greater than quantity. You can have 3 great projects than 10 average projects. So focus more on quality and more deep into the project's knowledge. Now let's talk about the 3 must-have projects in your portfolio. First one, like a business dashboard. You can use Power BI, Tableau along with Python. Examples like sales insights. Then show business impact, which shows storytelling and visual sense. Second project, you can add like end-to-end ML projects, real-world data sets. Examples like churn prediction or credit risk analysis. It covers like data cleansing, EDA, modeling and deployment. Third project, which can be of this category, like NLP, AI use case, advanced edge. Example like you can prepare project like for chatbot, resume parser. It shows like you are learning cutting edge tools. These projects so you can solve problems from scratch. That's what recruiters want. Once you have built your project, how do you showcase them? So how to host your portfolio or project? First, you can host on GitHub. You can make a readme files, clean, Jupyter notebooks, folder structure, make it proper. Second, you can write a blog, write short case study on your approach, whatever the project you have worked into, you can write about that. Third, portfolio website. You can create your portfolio website using GitHub pages, Notion, Wix. On LinkedIn, you can post about your project, how your project journey is. Here is a tip, like for GitHub, should looks like as a well organized library, not a junkyard. So your folder structure and all in GitHub should be neat and clean. Then fourth part is portfolio mistake to avoid. First one, overuse of Titanic iris dataset. Second, no explanation of the business problem. If you are building any project, so there should be some business problem, then the solution. Third one, like poor code formatting or missing visualizations. Then last one, no deployment or user facing elements. So when you build a project, so there should be some user which are using your project, so you will get some experience. Just build project, build impact stories. Think like a hiring manager. How to attract recruiters? For that, post every project journey on LinkedIn, like how it started, what was the problem, which kind of solution you have done, and what could be the impact on that. Use GitHub package and visual readme files. Add keywords in your LinkedIn headline like data scientist, build 3 ML projects skilled in Python, SQL, and Tableau. You can use other skills as well. If you have built something in different technology also, like instead of ML you are using just NLP, you can mention same. Tag companies or mentors when you post a project. You never know who is watching. Now you have got the blueprint to build a high converting data science portfolio. No fancy degree required. If you want my free portfolio checklist or feedback on your project ideas, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with a fellow data aspirant. As well as I conduct every Sunday 10 to 11 am free webinar on data science. In description I have mentioned the link. You can register for the same. Thank you.